Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is making faux glass fishing buoys or fishing floats. And to do this, you're going to want some clear plastic Christmas ornaments and some twine. I'm using regular brown twine. You can use any colored twine to wrap around your ornaments. Remove the tops from the ornaments, and now you're going to work with the twine. Make a circle out of the twine that is roughly the same size as the top of the ornament. I am tying my circle with a square knot, which is right over left and then left over right, and then I'm trimming off the ends. Now cut 6 lengths of the twine that are going to be long enough for you to complete this down your entire ball. So here I'm using lengths of twine that are about 18 inches. My balls are about 2.5 inches in diameter. So cut 6 of those, and you're going to use a lark's head knot to tie them at equal intervals around your circle. For the lark's head knot, fold your twine in half, take the middle of that where the fold is and put it under your circle, poke it out the top, and then put your 2 ends through that and then pull it tight. I did it opposite the knot and then at the knot, and then 2 between the 2 knots on each side. Once you have that done, I found it easiest to take the ball where the opening is and put that over a bottle like this glue bottle that I have, and tape my circle over the top exactly opposite that opening. Now what you're going to do is very repetitive. For each of the lark's head knots that you tied, take the left side of one and the right side of another and tie another square knot about 3/4 of an inch from the top of the ball. Go all the way around. And once you've done those, then start on the next level of knots. So take the left side of one of the square knots you just tied and the right side of the neighbor square knot and tie another square knot about 3/4 of an inch away. On these balls, I did 4 rows of these knots until I was close enough to the bottom that I could finish this. To finish it, I took it off of the glue bottle, turned it upside down, and then I tied opposite pieces of the twine across that opening. So the opening is a little bit raised. This makes it very easy to hold those knots in place. So I just pulled the twine tight and tied knots for all of the pieces of twine that were opposite each other, and then I trimmed them off. And this gives us a wonderful faux glass fishing float. Here they are in some coastal decor that I created. Happy crafting!